In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Zoho People. This quick setup focuses on the core areas you will use most often: managing employees, reviewing attendance, configuring leave entitlements, and creating workflow automation. As you follow along, take your time and make sure you are working in the correct organization inside Zoho People, especially if you have access to more than one. Start by going to the Organization section, then choose Employee. This is where you add new staff members and maintain existing employee records. When you are adding or editing an employee, pay close attention to key details like department, role, reporting manager, and work location, since these fields often affect permissions, approvals, and attendance rules. If you are editing an existing employee, make small, careful updates and save your changes so that records stay accurate and consistent. Next, move to Attendance and open List View. This screen helps you monitor daily logs in a clear, sortable format. Here you can review who is clocking in and out as expected, spot missing entries, and identify late arrivals or irregular patterns. If you are auditing attendance, it helps to filter by date range or team so you can focus on the right group. Make a habit of checking this view regularly, because timely corrections are easier than trying to fix issues weeks later. After that, go to Leave Tracker, then Settings, and then Entitlement. This is where you adjust leave balances and set up the rules that control how much leave employees receive. Make sure the entitlements match your company policy, including annual allocations and any special leave types you use. When you update entitlements, double-check that you are applying changes to the correct leave type and employee group, so balances do not shift unexpectedly. Finally, open Settings, then Automation, and then Workflows to set up auto alerts. Workflows help you automate notifications and actions, such as alerts for leave requests, attendance exceptions, or other HR events. Use clear names for each workflow so your team understands what each one does, and verify the trigger and recipient settings before you turn anything on. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.